It's cute too. They're holding hands so far. Maybe you want to start counting how many we're
About to plant. Oh, we're planting. Because we're gonna do some giveaways. Just practicing, guys. Once our channel will be bigger, we will give away our neighbor's roosters.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So we've got an old bathroom fixture, one that has supposed to be a vanity mirror plus a shelf, and we're gonna use it on its side for a planter. The mirror is stuck in here, so we can't get that out easily, so we're just gonna leave it in there. And there's not a whole lot of drainage in here, so we gotta go with something like light, with a lot of pumice in it, a lot of lava rock, a bit of drainage, a little bit of sand, river sand, and a tiny bit of organic to hold a little bit of moisture, but not too much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start. We'll try with equal parts pumice and equal parts lava rock to begin with. 2 of those small bags is about the same as a bag of lava rock. You don't have to be exactly accurate. It's about the same. Got a little bit of river sand, that in. The drainage, pumice. And the reason why we use pumice instead of perlite is that pumice is cheaper in the Philippines. It's also a little bit heavier, so it won't float out of a pot, which is nice.
What about the drainage?
There are no holes in this, so you have 2 options. I mean, if I wasn't so lazy, I might have drilled some holes in it, but we have to go through glass, and that's going to be hard.
Yeah,
so.
but there's a gap here on this side. So that might work for this side of the pot, or the planter.
Yeah, that will have some drainage, but here not much. So you have only ready to control the watering, and here we're outside of the rain mostly.
Just adding some more lava rock and pumice.
Yeah, so it's full. This is only a temporary thing. All that the soil will be able to reuse it again. Almost full now. I'm just gonna add like maybe 2 handfuls of organic soil.
No, we don't have to fill it, right?
No, just deep enough for the roots. And now you just want to mix it up. Get a nice rich mixture. It's predominantly pumice and lava rock, which is great for the drainage. A little bit of river sand. Mix that up a little bit more. Do it a little bit more organic. The organic is just to hold a bit of moisture, plus also provide a bit of nutrition to the plant. We need to raise it another inch or so. I'm actually just gonna mix it in this one because we're gonna put some larger lava rock here to block the hole, to stop the soil from falling out.
It's cute too. There are 2. They're holding hands so far.
Just so you know, it was my idea to use this. So see, there it is. I'm so excited. Rob's fetching the cacti, and I hope he's alright.
I thought we were gonna put the small ones here.
I don't think it matters, just where they can fit.
All the long ones here in the middle. All the babies here.
How about I just unwrap them and give them to you?
Yes, that's a good idea. See, because I have the claws, yeah. Don't forget, my claws are quite sharp. For the soil, you know, just to make it clear. Like you see, guys, some of them arrived like this. We do hope they will survive.
Survive.
Maybe you want to start counting how many were.
About to plant. Oh, we're planting. Because we're gonna do some giveaways. Just practicing, guys. Once our channel will be bigger, we will give away our neighbor's roosters.
You can hear them now. Maybe they should
Start in one area, like on the far side, and work towards you. So you're
Yeah.
poking yourself all the time.
Yes, I know what you mean.
Fill in the basket with soil. This mix is a bit more sandy and organic.
Why
stand
the
out.
difference?
I was planting the baby succulents and I had more sand, more river sand. Now I'm like out of the river sand, so it just ended up a bit more organic-y, and it's also wet now, so it's been in the rain.
Okay.
It should be fine, it's very similar. It's also mainly pumice and lava rock.
I bought like kakanins They were also yummy.
Okay.